After a wonderful ride, I decided to stop and do some trail repair work. This section of the Cavanaugh Trail up at Walker Valley is an extremely popular trail. As a result, it gets a lot of wear and tear. There's a particular spot on this trail that I call my nemesis. When you have a low bike like mine, it's darn near impossible to get over it without bottoming the bike out. However, the last time I rode up this trail, I ran into a problem. It appears this obstacle has finally become too difficult for the average rider to make it across safely. Let's take a look. Holy crap! Oh, that is almost undoable. Dude, that is not... Okay, I'm not trying it. Cavanaugh, guess what? You're off our list until that gets fixed. On my way home, I was thinking about this obstacle, and I thought, why wait for someone else to fix it? Let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. So I grabbed some tools that would fit in my backpack, and I headed back up there. While planning my repair, these are some of the things I considered. This huge sloped root is still attached to a live tree, so I don't want to mess with it. This hole here keeps getting deeper and deeper as tires are spinning trying to get over the rock. And the rock is actually about a 2-foot vertical climb. So to me, this area right here would be the best place to make a go-around. However, any material that I put here to make a ramp would fairly quickly be kicked out and thrown down the side of the mountain in that direction. What I need here is a wall. So I took a chapter out of a Beaver's Dam building playbook and found some large logs. One end of the log is wedged into this rock, while the other end is supported by a tree. Then I built up a solid foundation for the trail by finding the largest rocks I could carry up a mountain and putting them on the base. I then backfilled the entire area with dirt, working the dirt in around the rocks and getting it all packed into place. It actually wound up making a pretty nice ramp. And then I placed a couple rocks on each side to help guide the bikes down the middle of the ramp. Oh yeah, as an extra precaution to keep the log from shifting, I also drove in a couple stakes. So if you're headed southbound, you no longer have a 2-foot drop. You can go around it. And if you're headed northbound, all the normal riders, or average people like me, can take this bypass. And I left all of this stuff open for the expert riders to tackle. I actually find it very interesting that this particular obstacle does a great job of showing how a trail can wear out. This is what it looked like about a year ago. Here it is right around 5 months ago. And this is now. Anyway, after my next ride, I've got a couple other areas that I'm thinking about working on. Walker Valley has provided all of us with so much enjoyable time that I really want to do my part to not only keep it open, but keep it safe for riders so that they go home in the same condition that they started the ride on. Everybody, have a great day.